What's up, randomness things here, and this is my friend. He'll be in some of my videos, and yeah, he's on his phone right now, and we're just gonna be doing some randomness things, like we always do, and yeah. What do you want to do?
Bye-bye.
No. Yeah, you should, oh, yeah, Owen isn't gonna be in this video. He's a good man. Subscribe to his channel. What's your channel called?
I don't have one.
Oh, he doesn't have a channel. Well, he'll be on some of my videos, and kind of including this one, and I'm going to get going with some randomness things. Okay, yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, he'll see ya in a different video. I'll see ya to the randomness things part. I am going to get my nerf gun thing to go. Wait, where did he come from? I thought you weren't going to be in the video. Oh, God. If you would have seen that hit me in the head. So, yeah, now I'm mad. I'm very mad. Okay. No. No.
Die.
I failed. No. Haha, boy. You failed. You can't kill me.
Can't see me.
My camera can see you. I win.
Die. I believe this is the end of you. Oh.
I feel bad for him. See ya.